day. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Madam. I'm Sandra Carpio, 41 years old, with a common law husband. I have 3 sons and 1 daughter. I came from Cambio, San Miguel, Bulacan.
Tell me about your working experience.
My work experience is on Kuwait since 2005 up to 2007 with my Madam Nasreen. And my second experience, I work in Dubai with my sponsor Abdul Murad since 2008 up to 2010.
Okay, as a domestic helper, what are your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities, how to take care. My duties and responsibilities are domestic helpers to manage all household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and take care of baby.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care newborn of baby, feeding milk every 3 to 4 hours, birth the baby after feeding, change the diaper, and send baby to sleep by.
Can you sing a simple children's song?
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check the diapers if it's wet, or I will check the baby is hungry. But if the baby is still crying, then I will inform to my employer that the baby is crying for a long time already.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly person?
Yes, Madam, I'm willing to take care of elderly person. Since I have my grandparents, I take care of them like my special one baby, helping them to take their food and medicine.
How could you handle a naughty children?
I would handle naughty children by being friendly and playful with them so I could get their attention.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook but Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and many kinds and others. Also a simple Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, noodles, soup. I'm very much willing to learn more.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to operate electrical appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave oven, and others.
Most of the employers in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am, I'm very much interested to learn Cantonese language so that I could fully understand my employer, especially to the elders.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking care of the children. So how could you handle this situation?
First, I will make sure that the employer's children are in safe place by putting them into the crib or by giving them toys to play. Then I will continue doing my work.
In case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes, or you found something like jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back to my employer, ma'am.
What if during your day off, then your employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitors? What will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve my employer together with their visitors.
Wow! Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of the high salary given to the domestic helper, to which I can help support my family to provide their needs and financially matters.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Yes, Madam. If you will give me an opportunity to work as your helper, I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, trustworthy. I promise to finish my 2 years contract without causing any problem. Thank you, Ma'am.